Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sporty Wongzi Kamalambongi Nkosi. Please help me grow this channel by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel. Danko, ngaphambi kokuthi ngiyekudina ngiqale ngokuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu for the love, the support that you always show to me. It means a lot because right now I've reached 6,000 subscribers. It is all thanks to you. Uthando lwenu nesupport enenginika yona. It goes a long way. Because kuyangigqugquzela nami to keep on doing what I do, trying to become the best version of myself, come out of my shell, make sure that I grow, because there are things that I'm lacking, but I always try ukuthi ngifunde, and we always teach each other kuma comment section. So I'm grateful for that. 6,000 subscribers, road to 10,000. Thank you very much. Izandla idlule ekhanda. I don't know what to say, but I just have to pass my gratitude. Ngakwenzi kumina kuphela lo, kodwa nikwenze nabanye abafowethu lana esibambisane nabo. Especially there's a brother of mine by the name of This Is Wavy, igama le YouTube channel yakhe. So Ubafo is one person I know which is very dedicated on his craft. He's covering especially the big three clubs and everything that involves football. So please try and support him also. Igama lapha le channel is This Is Wavy. Currently is sitting on 2.77 subscribers. Ngajabula kakhulu naye manje ngamthatha nimbeke ku 3,000 mafethu. Yasishaya isibano bafo and uyazinikela and futhi usebenza ngokuzikhandla. So I hope nje ukuthi soloku sibambisene kahle kule ndlela esibambile. Hoping nje ukuthi neKaizer Chiefs na izosenza ukuthi sijabule nje kulamavika alandelayo, but ngaphandle kokuthi nje ngichaza into eziningi, ngibonga kakhulu izandla idlule ekhanda. Ngiyabonga. Let's get to the matter of the day. Sesikhuluma ngayo ke impofana is the updates. There's one thing man that engiphula umoya, to be honest, because if we try to look at things from a deeper level, we can understand that most of the games that we played at some point singasho ukuthi favoritism and lack of trust in our players will be the end of us. Because look at our matchday squads recently. What happened to Flavio Silva? Because he scored 2 goals and then he vanished. I don't know why, because some games I think they are best suitable for him compared to other strikers. Yes, Mayo, he's doing good, and you cannot take that away from him, because we can see good he wants to make Kaizer Chiefs win by all means, because we saw in that game versus AS Simba, he hit the post and we could see good he was live. But manje into ebuye futhi isiphula umoya ukuthi we don't know what are the decisions being taken by the co-coaches good enough for our club, or maybe it's just in good we are at some point we are exaggerating. Because I can say we don't spend a lot of time with these players, so they as a co-coaches, they know when they are assessing these players in training, they know okay, according to how we monitored their progress, this player is good for this game, but tinanga sikubone lokho. But masekufika to the game itself, that's where we see a different thing. Because yes, we know good players like about Dupreez and Nutuba haven't yet found their rhythm, haven't yet found their form of last season, which was score more goals. Because I think with last season Nutuba ended the season with 5 goals or 6 if not mistaken. Same into Dupreez with 5 goals if not mistaken. But this season they are yet to score. So for a player that has got 2 goals, but yet he is constantly being dropped kuma matchday squad, nanoma kuthiwa kuyatravelwa, he's not there. So I don't know ukuthi yimi engayiboni lento lena or mhlambe ngiyagagamela, but let's be honest bafethu, it's not only about of Silva not being included kuma matchday squad, but let's talk about other players that we think that maybe they can give us a different variation when it comes to us attacking. Because we have seen Pulemori ample times with Lolipo, but in the previous games and the recent games, they haven't given us something much to talk about. Because one thing that you can say within their game that they help us with is defending. because they do that with ease, because they allow our fullbacks to bang a panic when it comes to marking, because they know they are covered, they are helping them. But going forward, they are not giving assists, they are not scoring, especially for a player like Lilebo's caliber. Lilebo, I don't know, would drop a form, or he is now complacent, because the way he's playing is no longer convincing, because it's no longer about him shooting now and then, but it's all about now him being a team player, him making sure that as a senior player he leads by example. Because in the games that we are playing, you can see the team can try to go forward, but one thing that is lacking is that killer instinct. And from a player like Lilebo is no longer tracking back to help a team defend, and that thing is concerning. Lilebo now is no longer making those runs that are threatening to the box, because now I think he's being restricted on the touchline, whereby he'll be constantly hugging the touchline, makes it difficult to get inside the box, because at some point we are lacking numbers inside the box. Because number one, we can use his height, but now we are no longer getting that. So why not these coaches bring on someone that is new, someone that is fresh, to allow him to rest, so that he'll figure out what is he supposed to do now. Because I think most of the problems that we have is the players now thinking that they have guaranteed starting positions, because the other players haven't been trusted yet. Because maybe we can drop Lilebo, try and put a player like Uvelebai, and see Uspatele ku left winger. Maybe we can try to put a player like Usirin, and see yena magadlala, because we see now even when he comes in as a sub, it becomes difficult even for him now with just see team. So let's try different variations, because it's not like now us now my players, we do have players and capable players, but it's just the coaches are true to the fact that okay, these are our best players. But even the best players, at some point they do get tired, they lose form. So benching them is not a bad thing, but it's for them to realize and think okay, since I'm not starting a game, how can I influence the game when I come in as a sub? But it even becomes difficult, because now the coaches, they feel like they appreciate the work that these players do, especially their input when it comes to helping the team off the ball movement. But one thing we have to understand, for us to win, we need goals. So if you are not providing goals, assists as forward, it simply means you are not doing your job. Even though we are helping the defenders, helping the team, but the important thing is for us to score those goals. So I don't know, is it lack of trust, or is it favoritism? Because look at players like Aboshinga, Chislet haven't started, but izinto bezingahambe kahle for a team. So we need to see what can we do. Maybe if we try different combinations, but now we are in a situation whereby we'll find it difficult to manje sigcine sesenza into eqinile solid, because sesiphakathi in a season, and the mama phakathi kanje we cannot change a lot of things. Even though besikhala ngokuthi why aboChislet bangadlali, just got nje indaba manje ukuthi uChislet is one of the players that are injured. It is uChislet, there is Msimang, Udotli, Paseka Mako. Shinga again is not injured, but he's working to reach that full fitness. So maybe their debut is nearing soon. So I don't know what do you think, but I think at some point the coaches have to now try let's test our tactical acumen by trying let's change something and see if it doesn't work. And then if it doesn't work, bangabuyela to their standard procedure of doing things, the way they select, because at some point we can blame them, at some point we cannot, because we are not there when they are watching these players train. But the best thing for us to do, I believe, good thing is to allow these players to have that feel, to understand playing for Kaizer Chiefs, it is huge. It's not something that you can take lightly, but we need to understand when you get a chance to play, you must grab it with both hands. We are advocating for players badlale abovelebai, aboshinga, abochislet, but will we handle the disappointment that they will give us after playing if they are not playing how we want. So ezinye izinto emele sizifake emqondweni ukuthi let's not only but focus ukuthi wanting to see them play, but let's make sure that even if they are not playing according to how they are supposed to play, we know ukuthi we won't bash them, but we must understand ukuthi nabo they are still trying ukuthi bakwazi uku-adjusta ukuthi i-team isebenza kanjani, because I think ukuthi it is important for them to do so. But the important thing is for us to support the club. Even these coaches, I believe ukuthi they can take us far, but one thing now we have to be concerned about is our problem of not scoring. Yabona that one, it is a problem, because angeke sithi create ama-chances, kube abantu ama-mixed ama-tap-ins, kube nabantu ama-mixed ama-penalties, kube nabantu ama-mixed ama-clear chances. So it is something I think we have to work towards on, because maybe it is a psychological thing. Dr. Henning Kgerege maybe can try ukuthi abafake kuma-classes ukuthi abakwazi ukuba-cancel and see ukuthi inkinga ikuphi, isekhaya noma isekhanda. But izinto ey'na kanjalo, we don't know. But hey, zikhala ngempela bafethu. Hey, kunale player le ledlalela PSG. Hey, belunda bamlonyeni in these few days. It goes by the name of Vyacheslav Kvaratskhelia. Gwara makazibiza with the nickname yakhe. Hey, nam leyana. Hey, it caught me by surprise ukuthi if the chance avails itself, he can play for iBafana Bafana. Hey, yabona kulapho ke politically lebhola ke seliqala khona. So I don't know, but mina ngendlela engiyibuka ngayo is like saying ukuthi now because iBafana Bafana is doing great, these players start to show up ukuthi no, mina I have South African descendants, umkhulu wami kwaba kanje na kanje. But manje sonke lesikhathi bekungenzeki because besingaka qualify and we are not the best nation, but now coach Hugo Broos brought that respect in our nation. But now into sekumele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi how will it affect ama players that tried so hard ukuthi basiqualifyise to this World Cup, because we know very well ukuthi we do have ama players that are capable in South Africa. We do have players that I think ukuthi they know what they are doing. Especially we have a player like President ama2K Relebohile Mofokeng. He deserves to go there because I know ukuthi makaya lapha uzozimagete and it will give him an opportunity ukuthi angasabuki kwasemzansi ayihlalele Europe, because kuzoba nama players omsign. We do have a player like uKeletso Magala and assist King la eMzansi. We do have a player like iplay elishisayo manje, Tashreeq Meduze player leSundowns. You see ukuthi I'm counting these players. You can go to a team like Golden Arrows. There's uSiyanda Ndlovu, there's Upuso Dithejane from ETS Galaxy. Good Chiefs, we do have players, but I think they'll need to work on their consistency in order for them to be in that category. But into emele siyifake emqondweni ile ukuthi let's not allow ama players bewangekho abangawazi ukuthi sisukele kanje, even though yena he has been exposed more because the league that he's playing in and also the tournaments that he plays obviously is of a world stage. So in Europe vele they advance their game, high intensity. You can see with everything about them, it is top class. He can help us, but the reason I've mentioned those players because those players, they are his direct competitors, and among Uyeza, they will find it difficult to ukuthi basibambe scheme. You still have players like Apolis. Apolis is one of the players that I can say ukuthi he's writing his name ukuthi nami ngizoba khona lapho kuma players of the season, because the way adlala ngakhona he shows ukuthi no, mina vele as 10-1-1 makufuna amaphoyisa bizani mina. But into emele siyifake emqondweni iwodwa ukuthi Hugo Broos is one person I know for a fact ukuthi he's the one that will decide ukuthi uyambiza or not, because one thing about him, he knows what is good for the national team. So if he feels that ukuthi he's going to be a good addition, angambiza. But mina ngokubona kwami I think ukuthi abafowethu labo abasebenza kanzima, they still gonna need ukuthi babuyele laphana bawuqedela umsebenzi abawuqalile, especially sebhekane neAFCON ezayo. But the only way to test this ukuthi yaspana na is for them ukuthi ba-organize 5 friendlies. It's against Lesotho, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Swatini, and what is another nation? engingayibala nje elayiduze. Maybe we can say ukuthi abo Nigeria kanje. And then that's where we can see ukuthi if he honors 5 of them, that's when we can see ukuthi he's serious about representing us. But one thing about those European clubs like abo PSG, abo Club Brugge, when it comes to national commitment, especially for players that need to go to Africa, ayi banokuyidonsisa bangafuna ukuthi ba-honor ama-club. So yinto engamenzela ukuthi kube nzima because we still have i-AFCON. Naku AFCON if it happens bangamqala khona sibone ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu uyafuna ukusinceda na, because how can you mara ngeke, not unless maybe him not well informed. There's another way, because he has played multiple times for the senior team of George. I don't think ukuthi kungaba simple kanjalo nje ukuthi angachinja ezemzansi, but you'll never know ukuthi kwenzakalani, because sibona ama players thina abo Wan-Bissaka from England to DRC na abo Greenwood from England to Jamaica. You can see ukuthi inyakanyaka nje. So izinto eyina kanjalo, but izinto emele sikhulume ngazo lezi in order ukuthi siwazi ukuthi sime, because izo affect abajita, especially cabanga obumfukeng uzombeka ku category no Vara scale, uthathe uApolice umbeke lapha kuyoba difficult, even though umfukeng this season have been given a different role ku Pirate with no, now we're gonna play as a creator, attacking midfielder, allow Police to maneuver in that left wing position. But I don't know what do you think Bafethu, but it's ingaqedi kakhulu ukukhuluma because indaba ziphile. I just have to say ukuthi ngiyabonga, ngibonga kakhulu izandla idlule ekhanda for those 6,000 subscribers. And one thing I'd like to say ukuthi no matter the situation, never allow your emotions overpower your intelligence. Actually, to praise, we know what you are capable of what, but I think there are things that you need to fix in order for you ukuthi game yakho izokwazi ukuthi ibe on that level that you want, because these misses wona awajwayeleki, because every season uzanenye. But the best way for you is to remain calm, lift your head up, and then try to at least the next match try to give something to the club. It's an assist or a goal so that kuzokhohlweka ngale ndaba, because yona angeke ikhohlweka kalula. Yes, missing it is something that you are used to ebholeni, but not kungena goalkeeper ebholeni. But as I've said, no matter the situation, never allow your emotions overpower your intelligence, because emotions change, even situations change. The only thing that don't change is your intelligence, so you must use it effectively.